Have you ever wondered what happens when people choose defiance over divine guidance? Let's delve into Jeremiah chapters 37 to 40, a gripping tale of actions, consequences, and a prophet's unwavering faith. In chapter 37, we meet King Zedekiah, a ruler who seeks advice from the prophet Jeremiah amid the Babylonian siege of Jerusalem. But here's the catch. Despite desiring God's insight, Zedekiah ignores his messages. Jeremiah warns Zedekiah not to expect divine rescue simply by asking for it without obedience. Jeremiah 37:17 is pivotal, where the king secretly asks, "Is there any word from the Lord?" To which Jeremiah replies, "Yes, you will be delivered into the hands of the king of Babylon." Moving on to chapter 38, Jeremiah finds himself in a dire situation. For speaking God's truth about the impending Babylonian victory, he's thrown into a muddy cistern by officials who want to silence him. Yet his steadfast faith is unshakable. Here, an unexpected ally, Ebed-Melech, courageously petitions to rescue him. His actions remind us that even in hostile environments, justice and courage prevail. Chapter 39 brings the prophecy's grim fulfillment. Jerusalem falls, and Zedekiah's fate aligns with Jeremiah's predictions. Key verse 39:18 reassures us with God's promise stating, "I will save you. You will not fall by the sword, but will escape with your life." Even amidst the chaos, Jeremiah is spared, highlighting God's protection over those who remain faithful. In the final chapter, chapter 40, we see a shift as Jeremiah's circumstances change. Despite the turbulent times, he is given freedom by the Babylonians, encouraged to settle among his people or go wherever he chooses. This signifies a powerful theme. God's sovereignty and care remain, even when nations crumble. These chapters serve as a profound lesson on obedience, faith, and the consequences of straying from divine guidance. So, what does this narrative whisper to us today? Perhaps it's a call to tune in, listen to divine wisdom, and understand that true courage lies in speaking and living truth against all odds.